Smart TVs are fantastic for streaming, but they can heavily expose your personal viewing data to tracking. Even worse, regional restrictions can completely block you from watching your favorite content. Today on TechVibes, I will show you exactly how to bypass these blocks and secure your television. We are covering the absolute best advanced ways to get a secure connection up and running on any television screen. You need to optimize your layout to run applications smoothly without network stuttering. Follow these advanced steps to route your television traffic through a secure server. Step 1 is to install the system directly from the application store. Go to the search interface on your compatible television screen. Search for NordVPN in the catalog and hit download. Open the application, put in your account credentials, and connect to your preferred country location. You can use NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned in the description and the comment section below. Step 2 is to configure your internet router for whole home protection. Log into the administrative dashboard of your home router from a web browser. Install the firmware configuration details directly onto the routing system. This automatically secures every single device connected to your network, including televisions that do not natively support direct downloads. Step 3 is to launch a secure sharing point on your personal computer. Open the main network and internet configuration menu on your desktop. Click on the mobile hotspot section and toggle the master switch to the on position. Click the edit options to create a recognizable network name and input a highly secure password. Step 4 is to locate your virtual adapter settings. Stay inside the Internet Settings menu and click on Advanced Network Settings at the bottom. Click the option for more network adapter options to launch the Network Connections window. Look for the adapter that lists Microsoft 2.4 GHz Directive Virtual Adapter to identify your active hotspot. Welcome to Lesson 5. Today we're modifying your virtual network adapter properties. Our goal is to correctly configure your adapter for internet connection sharing. Step 5 is to modify your primary virtual network adapter properties. Find the designated network adapter linked to your computer configuration. Right-click the icon and select Properties from the menu. Click on the Sharing tab located at the top of the interface. Check the box that allows other network users to connect through the internet connection of this computer. And that's it. You've now successfully configured your virtual network sharing settings. Step 6 is to bind the connections together. Click the Home Networking Connection drop-down menu inside that same Sharing tab. Select the specific mobile hotspot adapter name you identified in the previous step. Click the OK button to save your modifications and close the adapter windows completely. Step 7 is to update your connection protocol for compatibility. Open the main application on your desktop computer and go into the Options menu. Navigate to the Protocol tab and change the settings specifically to OpenVPN UDP. Connect to your desired server location to successfully activate the encryption link. Step 8 is to link your television to the new network. Turn on your smart TV and open the wireless network settings. Select the new computer hotspot you just created from the available network list. Input your secure password to route all your television data through the protected computer connection. Securing your television ensures you can stream absolutely anything without restrictions. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more advanced guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the setup. See you in the next video.